Now we're back to Canvas. Let me show you one final loop example. It's not a nested loop, therefore it's easier to understand. We'll create a path, use move to and line to, and then call the stroke. Let me adjust the positions. I want to have it top to bottom, so I keep the X position and then I go down. This is what we've got now, but maybe I move it further to the right, so let me use 50-50 for X. I add the line width on top. By default it's set to 1. We're going to adjust it with our loop later on. And this is what you should have now. But maybe I'll make it a bit shorter, so let me make it 50 to 350, and I'll increase the line width and you can see it gets thicker. Now let us add the loop. It's a simple format. For loop, I'll define a variable called I, set it to 0. I want to increase it ++ as long as it's smaller than 10. And now I nest my line inside of it. And I use the variable I, which is our counter, so for each iteration it gets 1+ in value. And I add it to the position right here, but only moving it one step, so 1 pixel to the right is not sufficient. So I multiply it by, let's say, 10 for now, we'll try. So first one is 50, second 60, third 70, and so forth. And this gives us multiple lines. Let me make it bigger, maybe 30. Should still be inside of our canvas. And now I can also use my variable, the counter, to increase the line width for every line. So I use 1 times I, and it gets gradually thicker. I can also make it 1 plus, let's say 2 times I. So first one has 1, second 3, third line would have 5, and so forth. And I think that this is the easiest way to understand how these loops work and how we can use them in HTML Canvas. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.